Welcome to sureshbhattclasses. We are solving question involving both H.C.F and l.c.m. Our question is H.C.F of 6480, 5400 and a third number A is 108 and their LCM is 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 to the power 5 multiplied by 5 to the power 2 multiplied by 7 to the power 2. Find value of A. The given options are option A 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 5 to the power 3 multiplied by 7. Option B 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 5 multiplied by 7 to the power 2. Option C 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 4 multiplied by 5 to the power 2. Option D 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. We will first prime factorize the given two numbers 6480 and 5400. 6480 is equal to 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 to the power 4 multiplied by 5 and 5400 is equal to 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 5 to the power 2. Now the HCF is 108 and we prime factorize it as 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 3. Now we write the HCF and LCM into their powers. HCF is 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 3, which is 108 given to us. LCM given to us is 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 to the power 5 multiplied by 5 to the power 2 multiplied by 7 to the power 2. We must know that, remember, HCF contains least power of common prime numbers and LCM contains maximum power of all prime factors of constituent numbers. And if we remember this property, then it will be easy for us to find the third number A. The third number must have 2 to the power 2. Why it should have the 2 to the power 2? As HCF has 2 to the power 2 because it has to contain the least power of all common factors, and as the two numbers 6480 and 5400 have 2 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 3, but HCF has 2 to the power 2, it means that 2 must be a common number in all the three numbers and the power should be least, which should be the power of HCF. So it must have 2 to the power 2. Now the another prime number 3 must have power 5, as the other two numbers do not contain 3 to the power 5, but LCM contains 2 to the power 5. It means that the third number should have the maximum power of 3. The second constant number of A must be 3 to the power 5, as LCM has 3 to the power 5. The third prime factor of the third number A is 5, and what power it should have? As 5 has power 1 in 6480 and 5 has power 2 in 5400. The third prime number as a factor of A may be 5 and it can have the power from 0 to 2 as the LCM has 5 to the power 2. So 5 cannot have power more than 2 and it can have 0, 1 or 2. So I am putting it as 0, 5 to the power 0, and I will explain it later why I have put it as 0. It can be 0, 1 or 2. Now next prime factor is 7. In the two numbers 6480 and 5400, the power of 7 is not there, but the next prime factor of number A must be 7 as LCM contains the 7 with power 2. But the given two numbers 6480 and 5400 both do not have 7 as factor. So for LCM having 7 to the power 2, we must have the third number with 7 to the power 2, as LCM has 7 to the power 2, as we must have the maximum power of 7 which is in LCM. So the third number A should be 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 5 multiplied by 7 to the power 2, as I have taken 5 to the power 0. So I am not writing 5 in the A. Now why I have taken 5 to the power 0, I am going to explain you. If we see the option A, it has 5 to the power 3. But in LCM, the 5 has power 2. So we cannot accept A as our answer. Option B does not have any power of 5. So we will come to it later. In option C, there is no 7 and LCM has 7. It means that option C cannot be our answer because the given two numbers do not contain 7. It means that the asked number A must have prime factor as 7 and it must have 7 to the power 2, and option C does not have any 7 in it, so we cannot accept option C. In option D, the power of 7 is 1 and it must have power 2 because the LCM has power 2. So we cannot accept option D as well. And option B has all the numbers 2, 3, 7. It is not having 5, but 6480 and 5400 both have the power of 5 in it. And 5 to the power 2 is already there in 5400 and that is also in LCM. So our number A, whether it has the power of 5 or not, it doesn't matter. And to match the option B, I have taken the power of 5 as 0, which is 1. So A has the value 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 5 and 7 to the power 2. I hope you have understood the method of finding the number if H.C.F and L.C.M. and other numbers are given. And from the given options, our answer is option B, 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 5 and 7 to the power 2. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.